Y'all, so guess who's getting their eyebrows microbladed today? Your girl. So today is my maintenance. Yeah, today's a maintenance day. I need to get my nails done. I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed. What's up, Mama?
Mommy, I have look like a fancy like you.
Yeah, you have look glass like me. Yeah, so I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed. I usually fill in my brows. My brows are so light. All I wear is mascara and brows. So this is what I look like with no brows. Yeah. So we're fixing that and we're getting them microbladed. I'm so excited. I'm going to Blue Aesthetics and I'll tag her and let's go get them done. Also, one other thing that I wanted to say, like literally, everyone like told me like, Nina, you're turning 33, you need to have like this amazing skincare regimen, all that stuff. So I went and got like an expensive skincare regimen and look what it did to my face. Like I usually never get breakouts, like, and this is what it did. So I went back to my Vaseline and apricot scrub and we're in the process of getting rid of this. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm back home. Before I show you guys my brows, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. So number one, that junk hurt. It hurt. But she puts numbing cream on it, like once she initially does like the first few strokes, so it can penetrate and it can like really numb it. When I tell you the pain was a 10 before she put that numbing cream on, after she put the numbing cream on, I literally fell asleep. Secondly, what I really wanted was brows that had like hair-like strokes, and she did just that. So without further ado, here y'all go. Like, look at this. Like, look at the hair strokes. It's like, this is insane. Like, wait. Ten out of 10. Like, I don't need makeup anymore. Like, that's the only thing that I really ever like do is my brows, and I don't need it anymore. Like, look at this, guys. She exceeded my expectations, y'all. Like, look at like, and oh yeah, also another thing is she said that these are going to fade about 40%, so they're going to be significantly lighter. This is the first day. There's only been like an hour since everything happened. So this is what it looks like just done. And there's Aquaphor on it, which is why it's shiny. But like, it's amazing. Like, I love it. Like, when I tell you she exceeded my expectations, she exceeded my expectations. And like, I'm just obsessed because now I don't have to wear makeup. Well, I don't wear makeup regardless, but now I don't have to draw my brows is what I'm saying. So look at this, like, guys, like, what? Like, look at this, amazing. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just wanted to follow up with that video. So that was a whole bunch of just Insta story posts that I decided to make into a video for you guys. So I know that there was a lot of unanswered questions in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer it for you now. First things first, today is the 10th, or the 9th, I believe. So it's just been a few days after my microblading. This is what they look like. And then I know a lot of people had questions on like the care and how much it costs and all that stuff, so I'll go over that with you. Mine, the initial service cost $550. I feel like that was amazing, and I feel like it's reasonable because this is permanent, number one. Number two, you do have to do a touch-up about 8 weeks out, just to perfect everything, and that's $110, just specifically speaking with the person that I went to. Thirdly, after that, you basically just see her on a year-by-year basis for a touch-up, and that too is only, I believe, $100. So to me, it was very much a necessary investment. As you saw before, I have no brows, so this has just been a huge confidence booster for me. I don't have any makeup on at all besides my lip gloss and my microblading. I have mascara on. I don't wear foundation or anything like that, so it makes me feel super confident. And sorry, mommy. Also, care. So for the care, all I do is, she gave me this soap, and basically I just cleanse it with like a cotton round, and just dab it with water and just to clean it, and then I put Aquaphor on it with a Q-tip 3 times a day. She gave me a little care card, or whatever, that kind of explains what to do and what not to do. So that's that. I went to Blue Aesthetics. She is located in McDonough, Georgia. I am completely obsessed and happy with the results. They look amazing. They're a little greasy right now because I have Aquaphor on them, but they're healing perfectly. They look amazing. I feel confident, and you guys should go check her out if you're in the Atlanta area. Even if you're not, it's worth the drive. It's worth the flight. So peace.